Hey guys, this is Najam. So I'm gonna do a couple of unboxings. I thought instead of waiting around for the adapter to come, I'll go ahead and just do this right now. So I have a Leica M mounted lens over here. It's a very nice one. Um, I thought instead of waiting for the adapter to come for the camera so I can use this lens, I'll go ahead and just unbox it and I'll try some lens wacking, see if that works out. So this is the Voigtlander Nocturne. So let me just go ahead and take this out of the box and do this first impressions. See what this lens looks like. Hoping it's a bit smaller than I think it might be. Oh, whoa, that's heavy. Okay, click aperture. Hmm. Okay. Okay, not too bad, but so Voigtlander, I got this one instead of the Sigma because it's a bit smaller. Eh. Okay, now this is available on the E mount, but I got the M mount version because thought this one has a more 3D look than the E mount version. The E mount version looks like garbage. Don't like the IQ from that one. Okay. Oop. Okay, let me give you the first impressions on this camera. Yeah, I ended up buying this one anyways. Big mess up. Right. Okay, that's the grip thingamajig. We'll leave that there. Let's take this out. Hey. Look at this bad boy. Okay. This is the A7CR. I bought this for 2 kidneys. Then I realized you can get this brand new with a sale on. It's cheaper. 1.5 kidney. But this one is a bit used. Maybe it's, yeah, we can hear it. Okay, clearly not as good as the Lumix S9, IBIS wise, because you can see the sensor moving quite a bit in the S9. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. The hell is this? Okay, they've got some markings on it. So this is the big difference between, the camera that has a grip. Oh, I don't know if I'm actually. Oh, okay, that goes sideways. Camera that has a bleeding grip and the one doesn't. You can put a giant battery inside this one. Here's the SD card slot. That's on this side. Okay, that's new. We have the headphone. Sorry, the mic. Don't know if it has a headphone jack actually. No. Okay, let's move this aside. Inglesio. Okay, I'm gonna set this up. It's accessible screen reader. No, don't want that one. Privacy features in order to use biometric data. You are responsible for your connection. Okay. Connect with a smartphone. Do not connect. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to. Yeah, it's already in manual. Yeah, we'll take that off. Let's try some stupid lens working. I just can't be just waiting for the bloody adapter to come in. That's all. Gonna take the weekend and all. Whoa! So this is my first Sony camera. I'll have to get used to this. Okay. Let me just try this. Oh, 60 megapixel information right there, guys. Oh, there we go. That's in focus. Okay, let me take pictures. Wow. Oof. That's a killer shot. Okay. Ta-da. Look at that. Is a cable. Okay. How do we zoom in this one? Do we zoom in this way? Wow. Okay, I'll actually stop the lens down a bit actually. F2.8. Let me try that again. Oh, that's a bit more manageable actually. Yeah, there we go. No, I'll take some. Oh, I got here this thing here. Oh, that didn't turn out right. Forget it. That's gonna take a piece. Okay, I'm gonna have to actually get this thing set up properly. Yeah. Okay. Really? All three buttons do the same thing? Sony's a dumb company. Okay. Ooh, tasty. What the? Okay. Right. I'll make a jump cut. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I've never used M mount before, so I don't know how it works, but let's go ahead and right. Okay, so there's a bit in there that it snaps into, and then I can take that off as well. Okay, I guess technology hasn't really moved on that much. We've got the SD card out. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So this is the, for me at least, is the equivalent of the 40mm f1.4 from Sigma. Let's go ahead and turn it on and have a play around. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go play around with this and let you know how it gets on. Let's see if I can show you something in the viewfinder. Can you see that? Yes, looks nice actually. And this isn't the best quality for 8mm lens, but it's pretty nice. It's got a really good reputation.